Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can resize your TikTok videos. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Unfortunately, TikTok does not allow you to crop a video or resize within the app. So what you need to do is you need to install a third-party application. So for that, you can install any other video editing application. So for this video, I'll be using InShot. First of all, you need to open up your device's Play Store and then you need to type in InShot and then install it. As you're done installing it, this is what the interface is going to look like. First of all, you need to select the category. So since we're editing or resizing the video, you need to click on video. Likewise, you have different options. This is photos and collage. So for now, just click on video. Once you click on video, on the other interface, you need to select the video that you want to resize it. After you're done selecting the video that you want to crop it or resize it, click on canvas, which is located in the bottom left corner of your screen. At the bottom of the canvas option, you'll see a variety of aspect ratio for different social platforms. So you need to select it for the TikTok, which is 9:16. And if you're confused regarding the resolution, then you'll have the TikTok logo or the icon just next to it. So you need to click on it. After that, all you have to do is finish editing your clip. Now you need to fit it and then you need to click the export icon, which is located in the top right corner of your screen. As soon as you press on it, a list of options appears. From there, you need to click on save. And now you can upload it on your TikTok. So that is how you can resize your TikTok videos. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.